Alright, so now in this part, we're going to go to develop the animation in the bottom ornaments. Let's close these compositions so that we're not going to be using, and we'll go to our bottom ornament. Double click. It's more or less in the bottom part here. Here we are. And as we know, we just have to copy the keyframes and paste them. There's lots of this. This is going to be really quick. First, we'll copy the frame from the round shapes. Press U, select it, press Ctrl C to copy them. I'm going to go to the bottom ornament, and at the start, we're going to select this round shape first. Press Ctrl V, press U, and here we see it. We can zoom in a little bit. There it is. There you have it. We can take the timeline 2 frames back, more or less. Let's see, 3 frames. There we are. I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to press Ctrl V. I'm going to press U. There we go. I'm going to go to frame 6 and the next. Ctrl V. Press U. And we have the round shapes animations. So we're going to go to copy the frames to the lines. I'll click on any one of the lines. I press U. Select both. And hit Ctrl C to copy. I'm going to go to the other composition, and we're going to animate this one. I'm going to press Ctrl V, and I'll press U. Very good, very good. Okay. We're going to make it last more or less like a second in frame 15, so 1:15. And we'll make it start from frame 10. All right, let's preview it. Yeah, man, it looks pretty good. Now let's start with these leaves right here. We're going to go to the top ornaments. We're going to click on a leaf and press U. I'll select both frames. Ctrl C as always. And now let's start with this one. More or less around here. I hit Ctrl V, hit U. Let's zoom in to see if it's good. That looks pretty tasty, man. There's the line. Let's move this frame this way. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's click, Ctrl V, press U. Let's take a look at it. I think maybe it has to go back a bit. Let's see. Oh, it starts really early there. Okay. There we go. Let's go into the next one. More or less here. Ctrl V. Press U. You can see a theme happening. And let's see our animation. We can see it's a bit early. It's a bit wrong. So we're going to put it here. We can see that it's this is why we're modifying it. And now we just need to do the stroke right here. I'll select it. Ctrl V, Ctrl U. And I'm going to put it here. Let's put it right here. Let's zoom out. Let's press U. Let's hit preview to see it. And it looks ready. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yo, it's quite easy, right? We just have to duplicate it, and then we can go on to the text. Let's get this done.